Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If this so happens to be your first time here, I'm Faren. My first name is Fred. Here on my channel I do natural hair and lifestyle type content. So if you do enjoy today's video, please do me a favor, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you really like it and you like me, go ahead and subscribe. And if you do decide to join the community, please leave a comment down below and just say hello. I would highly appreciate it. Now for today's video, we are going to be using these products from Treluxe. Some of them are new, others are just new to me, but either way, I hope they work for my hair. I don't have a lot of time, so I'm gonna go ahead, set up for the shower. Y'all sit back, relax, and let's get into today's video. We're starting with the Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse, which I have never used before. It's sulfate and silicone free, and the key ingredients are coconut milk and slippery elm extract. This truly was a gentle moisturizing shampoo. I could see myself going back in with this as maybe like a second cleanse after using a clarifying shampoo, because I was able to finger detangle, and they also have a note on here if you want to further detangle, follow up with the leave-in not today. But I don't even think that was necessary in this case, even though I was coming from a wash and go. It wasn't overly fragranted. I actually enjoyed it, and this is something I wouldn't see myself reaching for it all of the time, but if my hair did need like a quick moisture boost during the shampooing stage, I would probably reach for this. And on rinse out, my hair did feel clean. I'm just at a point where I don't use a lot of moisturizing shampoos, and it takes a lot for me to be impressed by cleansers, but this one was okay. You know, I would recommend it if you really enjoy Treluxe products. Moving on to the brand new Soothe and Restore Ultra Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. This is for moisture, anti-breakage, and detangling. And look at it. It is so thick, but also lightweight and fluffy. This deep conditioner is formulated with plant-based ingredients and natural conditioning humectants to restore balanced moisture while adding softness, strength, and flexibility back into your natural curls. Key ingredients are oat milk, banana extract, turmeric, and vitamin E. The directions say, while hair is wet, liberally apply Soothe and Restore Ultra Moisturizing Deep Conditioner to hair from root to ends. I've never really heard that for a conditioner. Allow the deep conditioner to sit on hair for 25 to 30 minutes, or if using a plastic cap, allow the deep conditioner to sit on hair for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse out and style as usual. So let me just start off by saying that I'm not a big fan of this deep conditioner. I thought that it would melt into my hair. I made sure my hair was soaking wet. Of course, I'm trying to squeeze it into my strands per usual, but it just had this feeling that it was coating my hair instead of actually like penetrating my strands. And I don't want to say like it's because of the glycerin, because glycerin isn't even that high up on the ingredients list, but it is something about this that just felt coated. That could be because this is also supposed to strengthen your hair, but if this is an ultra moisturizing deep conditioner, I'm expecting it to be more moisturizing than strengthening. So I did leave this on my hair for 30 minutes. I sat with my heat cap on it, and I felt like maybe if I let it sit, I would be able to detangle my hair like I like to do with my deep conditioners after I let them sit. And the answer to that would be no. I did not feel like my hair was any easier to detangle or brush through after I let this deep conditioner sit. I added water to it. I tried to fully rinse it out before detangling. And eventually, like, I just gave up because my Tangle Teezer brush was not gliding through my strands like I would like it to. I don't know. I really did not like this deep conditioner for my hair. If you have tried this deep conditioner out, please comment down below and let me know how you feel about it. Maybe it was just me. I'm gonna try it with a steamer eventually, but first impression just didn't really wow me. But in order to prep for styling, I did use the untie the knot, and I applied that while I was still in the shower, and I let it sit before sitting down to start on this perm rod set. And last but not least, we are going to be using the Soothe and Restore Curl Defining Mousse. That is kind of new. It's definitely new to me, and I was so excited to use this. Did y'all see how thick this was? And it didn't like run down the palm of my hand. When I tell you, that is a good sign for a good mousse. So I want to say thank you to everyone who voted on my poll here on YouTube and on Instagram. I really wanted to try this mousse for a perm rod set because I saw so many people use this and love this for a wash and go that I wanted to try something different. And this ain't no perm rod tutorial. I have other videos linked in the description box if you came here for that. Sorry for you. But I do want to mention that I went in super heavy with this product, and I probably shouldn't have, or I should have used more water. But I don't know, this was my first time doing a perm rod set on wet hair, and I wanted to make sure that my hair was smothered and covered with product, but it ended up flaking on me. But I absolutely love this mousse. Of course, you'll hear more about how much I love it at the end of this video, but if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Y'all, this is what my hair looks like. So sorry for the athletic gear. I'm on my way to Pilates class and I don't have time to do this. But as far as my final thoughts on the products, the Gentle shampoo was definitely that. I definitely would use it again. Does it stand out? No. It's really hard for shampoos to stand out, in my opinion. And like I said before, I believe I could detangle with it, so it really was a good shampoo. Now, the Soothe and Restore deep conditioner, the glycerin type feel that it gave me, I don't know if it was deeply nourishing or deeply moisturizing, in my opinion. Maybe if I would have used my steamer, but honestly, I just kind of felt like my hair was coated, and even on rinse out, like it just didn't have the slip that I was looking for. So that one I would probably give like a 6. And then as far as this foam, okay, listen, I have flakes, but did y'all see how much I used? I went way overboard. So it's definitely flaking. I don't know if I shouldn't have used it with untie the knots or what, but I definitely have a lot of flakes, so I'll take the charge on that this time. But I also have had problems with other Treluxe products flaking in the past, so we'll see. But I love the way it felt going on my hair. This is the first time I believe that I've ever done a rod set on wet hair, so I definitely like the results. I would use it again. When I was undoing my hair, like, it separated so easily. So I really do like this foam, and I look forward to using it again. It's up there with the Mousse set, which is one of my favorites. So editing Faren had to interrupt once again, sorry, but I wanted to add this because this is actually 6 days later. As you can see, like, I still have a lot of curl. All I did was slap a bonnet on my hair at night, and my hair really lasted. I honestly just got tired of looking like it was a hard knock life, and I just decided to put it up in this puff yesterday. But I really love the way that my hair has lasted. It's super soft and it's still flaking, but I still really liked it. Okay, let's wrap this up. That is all that I have for you guys today. Please comment down below and let me know if you've tried these products. What are your favorites from Treluxe? And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one.